Bartlett. I'm an artist based in Vancouver, Canada. Welcome to my studio.
I'm a mixed media artist who's particularly passionate about working with encaustic, which is a medium that is a combination of molten beeswax, damar resin, and pigment. Encaustic painting is an ancient art which gained popularity in the 20th century, but it's seen a huge rise in popularity in the 21st century. Encaustic boasts this beautifully translucent and slightly milky surface. It can be textured or silky smooth. It can be worked into exquisitely carved surfaces, and encaustic's ability to layer mixed media materials into the painting strata is unparalleled. I'm delighted to be participating as an instructor in an amazing year-long class devoted to learning best practices in encaustic painting. This program, called Painting with Fire, hosted by the Irish art school Essence of Mulranny, gathers 26 world-renowned encaustic artists together to share their knowledge and expertise on all aspects of this wonderful medium. Plus, you get to peek into our studio practices to see behind the scenes. This masterclass includes 52 lessons on landscape painting, figurative painting, abstract painting, photoencaustic, sculpture, color theory and composition, monoprinting, assemblage, collage, working with shellac and pastels and inks, oils, fibers, and more. Encaustic combines beautifully with all manner of mixed media, and for over 15 years I've made it my business to explore this delightful medium. One of my favorite techniques is working with fabric and fiber arts, and in these videos I explore the marriage between encaustic and fabric as a powerful way to create three-dimensional sculpture. Take a peek into some of the moments included in my video lessons called Hot Fabrication, on how to combine encaustic and fabric, as well as my other course called Spun Gold, highlighting the use of encaustic on spun-bonded fibers such as lutridur.
So sculpture is a fascinating way of telling stories because it really engages our tactile and our visual sensibilities. And unlike two-dimensional painting, the viewer is really asked to engage into the sculpture from all sides. We kind of look at it from up and down. We look at how the light reflects on it. We can look at the hollows and the voids on it. And so that really gives us that kind of language as a viewer.
I'll be describing the use of many enticing art supplies that can be used when creating fiber art sculptures. I'll share with you opportunities for adding rich color and form to your encaustic work.
I also love rusting fabric. It's a beautiful way of adding a real variegated pattern to the fabric.
I'd love to have you join me for these classes learning how to combine encaustic with fabric and fibers, spun gold, and hot fabrication. Painting with Fire 22-23 offers you a stimulating year of creative learning and encaustic exploration. "52 weeks devoted to studying exciting techniques of encaustic painting, designed to inspire you and your own creative journey. 26 teachers and over 50 hours of tuition for one low price of $299. Use the link and feel free to contact me with any questions.
So if you have any questions or comments, I would welcome you to write me via my website. You can find me on Instagram every day. I kind of do a charting of my creative journey. I'm on Facebook as well and Pinterest. Feel free to join my mailing list as well. And I look forward to keeping in touch with you, and thank you very much for joining me.
Happy creating!